Today, when you are seeing this video, whole world is celebrating International Yoga Day. Yoga is more than just burning our calories and toning our muscles. It has been 4 years while we are celebrating the International Yoga Day, and the present will be the fifth. So, in this video, we are going to know each and every aspect of yoga. So, stay tuned and watch the video till end. And at the end of this video, you would get the complete information about yoga. So, the word yoga is derived from Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to join or to unite. As per yogic scriptures, the practice of yoga leads to the union of individual consciousness with that of universal consciousness, indicating a perfect harmony between the mind and body. According to modern scientists, everything in this universe is just a manifestation of same quantum figurement. One who experiences this oneness of existence is said to be in yoga and is termed as a yogi, having attained a state of freedom referred to as mukti or moksha. Thus, the aim of yoga is self-realization to overcome all kinds of suffering, leading to the state of liberation of freedom. Living with freedom in all walks of life, health, and harmony shall be the main objective of yoga practice. Yoga also refers to an inner science comprising of varieties of methods through which human beings can realize this union and achieve mastery over their destiny. Yoga been widely considered as an immortal culture outcome of Indus Saraswati Valley civilization dating back to 2700 BC has proved itself catering to both material and spiritual upliftment of humanity. Basic human values are the very identity of yoga sadhana. The practice of yoga is believed to have started with the very dawn of civilization. The science of yoga has its origin thousands of years ago, long before the first religion or belief system were born. In the yogic lore, Shiva is seen as the first yogi or Adi Yogi and the first guru or Adi Guru. Several thousands years ago, on the bank of Lake Kanti Sarovar, the Himalayas, Adi Yogi poured his profound knowledge into the legendary Saptarishi or seven sages. The sages carried this powerful yogic science to different parts of the world, including Asia, Middle East, Northern Africa, and the South America. Interestingly, modern scholars have noted and marveled all the close parallels found between ancient culture across the globe. However, it was in India that the yogic system found its fullest expression. Agastha, the Saptarishi who traveled across the Indian subcontinent, crafted this culture around a core yogic way of life. For many, the practice of yoga is restricted to Hatha yoga and asanas or postures. However, among the Yoga Sutras, just three sutras are dedicated to asana. Fundamentally, Hatha yoga is preparatory process so that the body can sustain higher level of energy. The process begins with the body, then the breath, the mouth, and the inner self. Yoga is also commonly understood as a therapy or exercise system for our health and fitness. While physical and mental health are natural consequences of yoga, the goal of yoga is more far reaching. Yoga is about harmonizing oneself with the universe. It is the technology of aligning individual geometry with the cosmic to achieve the highest level of perception and harmony. Yoga does not adhere to any particular religion, belief system, or community. It has always been approached as a technology for inner well being. Anyone who practices yoga with involvement can reap its benefit, irrespective of one's faith, ethnicity, or culture. The widely practiced yoga sadhanas are yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, samadhi, bandhas, and mudras. Satkarmas, yuktara, yukta karma, mantra jap, and etc. Yamas are restraint and niyamas are observance. These are considered to be prerequisite for yoga sadhanas. Asanas are capable of bringing about stability of body and mind. Pranayama consists in developing awareness of one's breathing, followed by willful regulation of respiration as the function or vital basis of one's existence. It helps in developing awareness of one's mind and helps to establish control over the mind. In the initial stages, this is done by developing awareness of the flow of in-breath and the out-breath through our nostril and mouth. Dharana indicates broad-based field of attention inside the body and mind, which is usually understood as concentration. Dhyana or meditation is the focused attention inside the body and mind, and Samadhi, integration. Bandhas and the mudras are practice associated with pranayama. They are viewed as the higher yogic practices, mainly consisting on adopting certain body patterns along with control over respiration. This further facilitates control over mind and paves way for higher yogic attainment. Satkarmas are detoxification procedures help to remove the toxin accumulated in the body and are clinical in nature. Yoga work on the level of one's body, mind, emotion and energy. This has given rise to four broad classifications of yoga. Karma yoga where we utilize the body, Bhakti yoga where we utilize the emotions, Gyan yoga where we utilize the mind and intellect, and Kriya yoga where we utilize the energy. Nowadays, millions and millions of people across the globe have been benefited by the practice of yoga, which has been preserved and promoted by great eminent yoga masters from ancient time to this date. The practice of yoga is blooming and growing more vibrant every day. And also, if you want that we make separate video on different asanas, then do comment below so that we can know and make videos on different kinds of asanas. This was all for today's video guys. Hope you enjoyed and gained lots of information. If you did, hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel so that we can reach to our aim of 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. And the links of our social media platforms are given in the description. Do check them out once. Thanks for watching.